Hi, I'm Jackie from Multnomah County Library, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the Libby app. Libby allows you to download ebooks and audiobooks from Multnomah County Library on your mobile device, like a phone or tablet. The Libby app is free, and you can download it wherever you normally get apps. It looks just like the app that you see on my screen. The first time that you use Libby, you'll need to answer a few questions. First, Libby asks if you have a library card. Choose yes. Next, you'll need to choose your local library. This first option is only if you already have Libby on another device. In the second option, you can search for a library by name. Or, in the third option, you can have Libby use your location to see which libraries are nearby. I'm going to choose to search for a library by name. So I'm going to type in the word Multnomah and search for that. And you see Multnomah County Library comes up, so I'll click on that. And now I'm going to need to enter my library account details. So I'll click on that link. And then in this box, this is where you'll type in either your library card or Library Connect number. And then I'll hit next, and then I'll type in my password. And now I can sign in. And it'll take just a moment, and now I'm connected to Multnomah County Library. To find something to read, I can click on any of the buttons near the top to see what's just been added, what's popular, or what's available to check out right now. Or, if I already know what I'm looking for, I can do a search by clicking on the magnifying glass in the bottom left corner. I'm going to do a search for the author Jason Reynolds. So now here we have a list of all the ebooks and audiobooks by Jason Reynolds. I'm going to scroll down here till I get to Miles Morales' Spider-Man. You see that next to that title, there is a picture of a calendar. That means this title is checked out by someone else right now. But I can place a hold on it by clicking on the words place a hold and then confirming that. Libby will let me know when this book is available for me to borrow. So back at my list of results, I'm going to scroll down a little farther here until I come to Stamped. And you'll notice that underneath the book cover of this one, there is a picture of some earbuds with the words 4 hours. That's how you know that this one is an audiobook instead of an ebook, because it has the picture of the earbuds. So I'm going to click on the words borrow for this one because you'll notice there is no calendar picture. Instead, there's just a plus sign, and that means that it's available to borrow. So I'm going to click on borrow and confirm that I want to do that. It's downloading this audiobook for me right now, and it only does this when you're on Wi-Fi to preserve your cellular data. All right, I'm going to go back to my search results and scroll up to the top of the screen. I think I saw, here we go. Here is the ebook of Ghost. So I'd like to borrow that one. I'm going to click on borrow and again confirm that I want to do that, and it will download it for me. Now let me return back to my search results here, and I want you to see all of these icons on the bottom of the screen. I've already shown you the magnifying glass, which you use to search. Right next to it is the picture of the building. That will take you back to the library homepage where you can browse. On the right-hand side, the picture of the stack of books is your shelf, which is where you can go to find out what you've borrowed and what's on hold. And the picture of the clock next to that shows you what you've borrowed in the past. I'm going to go back to my shelf. And right now it's showing me my recent loans. You notice at the top you can look at your loans or at your holds. And right now you can see that there is Ghost, the ebook that I borrowed. I'm going to click where it says Open in Libby, and I'm actually going to open up that book and start reading it. To turn the pages, you can just swipe right and left to go forwards and backwards. Down at the bottom of the screen, if If I tap down below there, you'll see there's also a scroll bar, which I can use if I want to go forward faster. There's also a table of contents here in the middle that I can click on to get a list of all the chapters, and I can jump ahead to a particular chapter. In the bar at the top of the screen, I can click on the letter A if I want to change the font size and display, or I can click on the magnifying glass if I want to search the text within the book. The other option allows me to add bookmarks. And when I'm done, I can just hit back to go back to my list of loans. For the audiobook of Stamped, you can see down here, I can also click to open it. And if I wanted to listen, I could hit the play button. The buttons on either side allow me to rewind or fast forward 15 seconds. You'll see there's also a scroll bar here that lets me show my progress. I'm going to go back to my loans again. Anything that I borrow from Libby will automatically be returned to the library when it's due. But if I finish early, I can always click on the words Manage Loan and then click on Return Early. And I'm going to confirm that I really do want to return it. I recommend doing this. It keeps wait times shorter. Let's go back to my shelf here. If you ever have other questions about Libby, you can click on the Libby icon at the bottom of the screen in the center to get more support. Thanks for listening, and we hope you enjoy borrowing materials from Multnomah County Library using Libby.